me ponsia mundo. Adimi fa continue so. Aoni niti. Semno ususu wa mi so bonibi. Efise unimi newo. Abalu kuane tijimire. Utumi brum. Ewa matafuani. Udimu for me timi tuwa ya mabusuwa. Yeni adoyenku. Enebedi meji. Inkwana nina meswa ya uwafie. Na wache mikwa. Ewadi jimiona. Sewa memi wera die jimio. Sambra. Ewadi jimiona. Kesi wuni meni daso ajingwe. Sambra. Ewadi jimiona. Wuni mapuche mnyamio ajingwe. Sambra. Ewadi jimiona. Ojameko isia udo. Odimi fa continue so. Aoni dinti. Semina ususu mwabomwala misro bonibi. Efise unimi dewo. Wabanu kumane chichi mewire. Otumipu. Ewo matafuenim. Odingu for me timi kruwa yeme usuwai. Yeni adoyenko. Enebedi meji, isi minkwa nenyi na metna yewu efye wai. Na wache mikwa eradi jimiona. Sewa memi wera die sambro. Sambro, eradi jimiona. Isi uni meni daso, adadie sambro. Sambro, eradi jimiona. Uma ya irawa, adadie sambro. Eradi jimiona. Radi jimiona. Maya ya irawa. Radi jimiona. Ya irawa. Radi sambra. Radi jimiona. Mesi muni makuche mnyami. Radi jimiona.
Edoimu na yeko wasimu mpaebo ne se ubibi yakomem na wabie yadwem na ensemi asane agikyere biara odasani bi ade akyekere no ho enim se wo ye nokwafo enunti obefa enkyekere so ade abie ummani na wabie wo monti asem wo Yesu Kristo de monti amen. Yewo nipa bebree e wasase so a wo mu hunu ne omon form abrabo enye ade bia mu no sankofo no they seem so much empty. Wo mu ntumi nko omanim eyadwuma no ya ntumi nko nenim se eyabrabo no ba ntumi nko nenim na warim untumi nko nenim adie bia nipa ne ye no the person is standing still as a ono de faako no gina ebinom abo asesa e wasase so a wo mu hunu ne asase so wo mu nye obi o wokora adwuma esese wo ye no ohunu saafo no ai wasase so no omodoso esene enipa o menye nyimdie a wo munim ne omoye e wasase so na wo bekum no na enye obia na stopi sankofo no se wo muntumi nko omanim bare omwa na akofa eneme bi ade bi ede akyekere ne ho eyonoa no de ahoma so ne nan ena ama na kafa ko ontumi nko nanim ɛno ɛna Awurade ɛba bɛfa me so na wakyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛtumi asane wo ho na watumi akɔnkan ɛwɔ abrabɔ mu. Yɛwɔ nipa bebree wɔ hɔ a wɔn nkɔ heaven ɛsiane saa self bondage. Nipa bebree ɛfiri sɛ Nyame amma obi ama asase yi so sɛ bra ne bɛnante ha saa na owie a wewu na wasan akɔ daabi. Nyame amma obi nipa hunu. Onyankopɔn bɔ obiara de biribi dua ne mu na ɛyɛ ɔbɔnefoɔ no akwan sɛ wo wanamontu a wotutu no asase yi so no wobɛkyea anaa wobɛakɔfa ne yɛmfa na saa deɛ no waba abɛkyekyerew de wato hɔ na wantumi ankɔ so wɔ abrabɔ mu. Asɛm a meka ho asɛm yi adi Kristofoɔ bebree dɛm. Nnipa bebree ɛhu Nyankopɔn ani onyam because of this self bondage. Na abrabɔ no akɔyɛ te sɛ deɛ yɛde ahoma ahyɛ aboa bi kɔn, memfa ne sɛ nantwie anaa odwan, na yɛde about 50-meter rope akyekyere ne kɔn na yɛde nabo edua ho. Ɛsɛ otie asɛm no yie paa. Saa aboa yi a yɛde 50-meter rope akyekyere ne kɔn abɔ dua ho no, saa the length of rope na yɛde ama no no sɛ wohwɛ 360 degrees a green grass aduane ɛwɔ dua ne ho nyinaa no 360 degrees no within the 50-meter range no aboa no betumi yɛdi, aboa no betumi awe, ɔkɔ left a obetumi awe, ɔkɔ right obetumi awe, ɔkɔ forth obetumi awe, ɔkɔ back obetumi awe. But saa aboa wei sɛ wɔnhunu nyansa na ɔsasie sɛ ɔkɔ run about dua no a deɛ obɛhu ne sɛ saa 50-meter rope na yɛde maa no ɔde bɛkyekyere dua no ho saa na ɔretwa ne ho na ɔkɔ ho hyia na ɔkɔ ho hyia. Obɛhu sɛ ɔde bɛkyekyere dua no ho saa na even though 50-meter rope no nka ɛwa but ɛba bɛyɛ tietia. Eti beduru baabi no bɛhu sɛ aboa no waka dua no ho. Aduane 360 degrees circle no aduane de gu hɔ ankasa sɛ odie. Ba ontumi nkɔwe grass no. Why? Because ahoma no is still 50 meters. But then ɔde ahoma no akyekyere dua no ho ama na aba bɛyɛ tietia. Enti aboa na wagyinae ne ho the opportunity to eat of what is available. Iti aduane wɔ hɔ, ahoma no wa, but aboa na nkasa na montuo nti no ontumi nwe. So ati asie. Iti sɛ saa aboa wei obetumi asan a recover the lost pasture no a agye sɛ obi aba abɛsɔ aboa nim na ɔde na kɔ reverse na ɔde na kɔ reverse kɔpem sɛ ɔbɛsane ahoma nim nyinaa ama no ansa na watumi akɔyɛ den akɔdi aduane ne bio. Saa ne nipa bebree mabrabo ababɛyɛ wɔ asase yi so. Saa na bebree nipa bebree Onyankopɔn de nepa egu hɔ de ama wo. Adeɛ bia ɛyɛ papa Nyame de egu hɔ de ama wo. Heaven ɔde ato hɔ de ama wo. But yanamontu no yentutu yanamon yie. Eti yɛde ahoma no akyekyere saa dua no ɛma afei yɛkɔ yɛnim a yɛnkɔ yɛsan yɛtin so a ɛnyɛ yie. Ɛne yɛaka faako ɛne nneɛma pa ne nso gu hɔ. Ɛna ɔbɔnefoɔ no nso pray on those things. But what in common say? Enti yɛwɔ nipa bebree wɔ asase so a sɛ wɔanya obi kwankyerɛfoɔ bi, motivator bi, guide bi, obi a ɔbɛyɛ wo life coach na wama mɛkyerɛ sɛ no ahoma no deɛ wa. But the way I was seeing ahoma na akyekyere dua no, you are denying your own self the benefits of this world, the goodies of God. You are denying your own self the blessings of God. Eti mame moa na me reverse o. Mu bebree abrabo amobɔ ye no, aba bɛyɛ nkyekyere a mode akyekyere mo ho a ɛma mo aka ho. A mo ntumi nkɔmɔdim. Na all those things no, na sase no baby e free ba self bonding baby e free ba no, ɛno na mepɛ sɛ ɛnɛ me kyerɛkyerɛ now tell ho ase se ne be ya wo betumi yi ho afrim na Awurade atumi ayɛ okɛseɛ. Isan say so bi pese okoso abrabo mu a onipa bi obehu se wakoso pa abrabo mu no enye mpaebɔ nko a mpaebɔ no ye di si obonefo no kwa ba se wo pese okoso abrabo ma eye principles. It onipa bi obehu se wakoso abrabo mu ne nyamesom okoso na abrabo okoso na adwuma okoso ade bi a oye okoso no eye principles na guide no. Without principles no untumi nkoso abrabo mu da. It would the opa fa infie nyamidiama unyina bompaye na mensume fa principles nye dwuma mekoswa ye kese me ye great na wo da so tim ni otim because empaibo no emenipa nkoso eye principles na lifting nipa. So if you want to be lifted, you must be guided by principles. Ubi only principles was as so you cannot go further. Untumi nko woni you cannot prosper. We send nipa no obebo asesa wa brabo imu. Many of you are living your life without principle. Sa aboya yede ahoma ekekere ne kombo odua. Say as so who say the principle is that yede ahoma na bodua eni bi so bo no kom. It is so ye na dwe so ye merry go round a. Obi hu say ahoma ne bekekere bia no a ontumi nkɔ n'anim san nkɔ n'akyi. Na we deny yourself all the goodies are available. Sa ne nipa bebre abrabo ai Christopher bebre mu bedi Awurade achi no mu bebre ma mpenya me ho nimde. You didn't look for the principles. You are just interested in prayer. But prayer does not lift people. Prayer will always stop the enemy from attacking you. It is both a defensive and offensive mechanism. So what Ngomona say, but se ban is prosperity and koswo lifting up, being successful in what you are doing here are your principles. Etino bebre na no jayo muntumi nya eboni nyina na eye omo anu ma chekere omo e de ato ho enye obi na chekere no na me ba be we animu na me biem ama wate ase eti enne no de me be ne se me ba be cherekere sa de wi eyesu bi e woni pa nyina e wo bi wo wiase a e wo mu obanyame mu a e wo mu ba onyankopon pese uyi se su no to baabi so ate ase na boaw ama watumi akonkan wa brabom eno ho nkomo ena me no ba bedi sene be ya wo betumi asane wo ho afri sa enchichiri nim eti makwa akoye te se life coach me boaw ama wo yi wo afri bonim wate nkomo na se afi wo yi wo afri bonim na be yo trini ni a me boaw ama wakoso e wa brabom. You need to grow. Ese ade bia wo ye no enyini wadwuma ese enyini o Kristo sum ese enyini ese wade bia wo ye no enyini. What you say, Wawari is a nyini. Then the final thing is me boama unyani say, asasi so ubinyan koso na, then you enter the kingdom of heaven. I am dealing with your physical, your metaphysical, and your spiritual lives. Physical relates to asasi woman, metaphysical eya okra no, say beya okra no binya baby papa, okra no binya hoto, okra no binya dam kwa. Then the spirit need or untouchable so that you can grow in the spirit of God and to be able to subdue your environment. Your environment is subduing you. The environment is controlling you. You have no control over your environment. Adibiaba idiuso, adibiaba idiuso, abefu diniso, enipe diniso, emo diniso, akono just a niemang bibri edinipaniso. Where from these things are tormenting a Christopher? Because the dominion power no time when Adam bone the fall of man and the dominion power no could be obone for himself. Lucifer, if yes is to be for himself. But the moment Christ mentioned on the cross, tetelestial, it is finished. Maybe that day the dominion power was reclaimed. The devil ceased to have control over this world. And when I say cease to have control, I'm not referring to in the practical sense. That dominion power no unyankopon restore back to us. Man was able to recover that dominion power to be able to control the environment or team. Say oye born again, na oye believer, oye Christian, na enyema sawoso, enyema kawose, enyema take charge of your life. You are not truly born again. John 12:36. If Jesus set you free, you will be free indeed. Isn't it? 1 Corinthians 6 verse 12. Or see your word in ho kwan. The name in the fata. Me wadi in ho kwan. Na me ma bribiara sheme. So Paul said, I do not allow other things to control me. It many of you you are being controlled by certain things because what would the enemy be at? So what I say, you are in a self bondage. You can't bondage now. You will demonic bondage. You want chichiria demons and they are chichiri nipa. And you want church bondage. You know you chichiria. You are sorry now. Walk on the chichiri watu ho. Mount to me call him. But when it ye you want now the chichiri ho. And no one sem na me no babeka. Yemunia yatna ekurase peno. Those of you who have lived in the villages before. May the fa every hand no about self bondage, ase. If you are me minyini wumuno na yen and cocoa. I mean fowls. We keep fowls. Na adie baako me nyini no me hu ye ene no ababeye enyinaso kese ede amame na ma ekire wo no. Akoko esasie se odidi a ade etin na okwa edidi a ubehunu se sa akoko no dem ogusu a odidi no ano na ne nan akwakofa ahoma bi ogusu a odidi na no na ne nan akwakofa ahoma ubehunu se ahoma no ebechechire ne nan baako na akoko no gusu didi na odidi na odidi oko na nim nyina no na ahoma no chechire ne nan baako no yiwu na eguso chechire ebeduru baabi no na afi ahoma no asan so ne nan baako no adawa na ka ho na chechire na otutu ne nan na oko na piece no oko but ebe kakra no na didi mu no behu se afi na ahoma no emia ne nan no na ka ne nan no bo ho obehu se interval that both left and right no na aklusu up na eklusu up na eklusu up eti bedru baby no akokɔ no tu ni nan a entu okwa onko agisi ebia wahiri ehirihiri ni nso de enye the format a akokɔ edeko edidi ana ordinance no enti na oguso kakra na oguso ko nanim afi bedru baby no Ubeho se ahoma na chechire ne naya na emia no ade no etwakom ubetumi akwa akoto akukọ bi na ahoma bi achechire ne nan na etwakom na the skin no etwa no. The question we ask ourselves is saabua no eye menam de ahoma no kochechire ne nan ana eye wo na ode ahoma no kochechire ne nan ana obi na de sa ahoma no kochechire ne nan ana dabi Eyabuana na muntu a wotu ene kofa asa ahoma ne ye den echichire ne nan ubetumi di ensuo esi ho a bucket of water esi ho nom na obehu odwan ana aponche na odiniti aba behye bucket nim na obenum ensuo ni bi wonya di ni ti ehyiemu a wonum ensuo no Oti sound bi won echi a opedwa na ubehu se obese upegya ne ti na bucket no ne nsa no die kura mu a yedi pegya bucket na achechire ne kon ubehu safe aboa no opempem na opempem ohun be bia wonye den omfa me patu wan ne de sa bucket na ho ma no ensa na ekose aboa ne kon eyo no a akokɔ no eyo no a no kofa asa nchichire no sa homa de chichire ne nan Aponche no eyo noa no di bokiti no ye den ekosie ni ti a won hu ba bia won fa sa two illustrations here media ma we inipa bebre wasasi so a this is how they find themselves enyo obi ena di bibi achechire no na ema ntumi nkɔ nanim enyo obi ena preventing is men kon kan wabrabom enyo obi eyo no na namontuo If say onipa nyini no free base 11 years eba no ade ba ko a mehunu won kwara no say saa bre na nipa pe adamfo obi obeko ne fie ni na kodi nkomo ebia na want ne kura se pen but uko school no obi a obetumi afa na ni adi aduane abom obi a one no obetumi a share ideas ni ade enti no onipa nyini no saa esuwe eba ne mu enamfosem eba ne mu honom ne kofa saa nchichire no adi eden edi free edu be hu se enye obi ene de ahoma na chechire ne nan te se akoko no ana udwan na saa bucket ni ti no akobua no enye obi eyonoa na brabo ono na montu eti no onipa a wo abasasi so no the way you live your life no etumi e de ahoma bi bechechire wo a ebeduru baabi no na ade ni mian okọ wani ma enko na ade ni mian na achechire wato ho eti many of us know we have denied ourselves being happy. Many of us know we have denied ourselves being successful in life. It is not the demons and it is not the church, it is us. Eti no sana montu no se we hunu na wentutu wanamoni ya oba kofa de bi dia chechire ho. It is ye ka self bondage da. Self bondage no eye enchichire bia bondage bia tibie bia wan kasa na wo akwa na wo de chechire nan na wo ti ho na wontumi nko wani. You have been captured. Eye wa na wa ensne wo ho wo de ahoma aso nan na wa manta mo ho na wo da ho. Enye obi enye demons. If say nye many nyina na demons ayemo. Enu nti na meka se ekọ onyankopon fie se enne mababe yi Kristo ni a enema esese wuhunu enema esese wusua no nimdie esese wonsaka no edoso. Eti nyame nipa bia no owo se obe guide wo obe teach you ama wahu left and right. Eti so onyankopon ka se ona Moses so ka kire oman Israel e wo Deuteronomy 31 no se ene me de papa Deuteronomy 30 ene me de papa ne bone enkwa ne owu asiwanim nanso onipa kame de mesew se nkafa papa ne nya nkwa. Eti madwuma no esese saa self bonding na de ho akoto mu no me ba yiw efrim me be sane na watumi akonkan ewo unyame sumu na watumi akonkan ewo wadwuma mu na watumi akonkan ewo ade bi a woyim ebisese ma amoa na wanyi saa nchichire no emfiri ho a ebeye den. Eti yeni bebre na no yankasa yanamontu anamon bi a wotuye na akofa saa nchichire no ayeden achechire na me ba bibie mu a de aba fom na wahunu ade a ama nipa bebre makwakoto self bondage mu ade a onipa ene onyankopon edidi ewiase so eye kasa evise ohwe nyankopon abodie mu a aboa bi ni wa okasa dua bi ni wa okasa ensuomunam bi ni wa okasa je onipa eni nyame. Eti no ade a ye di control ewiase we enye bibia se kasa a very powerful tool, very very powerful tool. Na kasa make once a no. It is so powerful to the extent say eno ena mumu bebre abrikimo. Enti obi wo a aware wenye bi efrikasa. Obi wo a n'adwuma asai efrikasa. Obi wo a adwuma na no ye ne yiyi na di efrikasa. Evise kasa yade a ema onipa koso na ebre onipa ase. Enuanom self bondage no ahanom ne free. Kasa enya de bia o enti onipa bia opese okoso wabrabom no esese the first thing esese ohwe eye wo kasa. Niye wo ka ene niye wo te sadi ama enipa bibiri yakwa kototo nchechiriye mu enye demons o ene enye church no eyo no a asem a wo ka ene niya wo te It has the ability, it has so much power, it has so much authority over your life. What you say and what you hear. Kasa, communication. Communication. Ubina warrior a breaking in your communication. Kasa. The Juma are saying in a communication. Kasa. Na saa kasa na meka wansem no me ba be chirichirim na ma bam am wehunu ne me pa chiri. E se sunu wo nipa bebree mu. Se sunu e wo nipa bebree mu. Na se sunu da so wo mu ebra wo free wiase abanyankopon nchen a I'm telling you say untumi enye bibi papa bi wasase so kura na wawu. Enipa bebree anam so adi o masefo abro. Omo masefo aba be ye hiafo because of sadi we kasa. Kasa your mouth. It is only power to me nkoso abraboma hwewano. Don't go and blame demons. Don't go and blame the church. Don't blame anyone. Blame your mouth and your ears. What you say and what you hear. If you say kasa no ayadia enu ne di control ewiase. Na assembi si wo Bible mu. Genesis chapter number 11. I will not read, so please find time and read it. Genesis chapter number 11, verse number 1 to number 6. Assembly si wo ho. Enipa e wasase su nyina ye o magene say. Wo mo besi tower wall tintintin bi akwa kokawiem. Sabre na ensuiri no abawie. It was immediately after the flood. So what you see? Eti Nimrod, who started that Babylonian empire no, Babylon na hini no. Obonsam fan so emme nipa nyina be ye one. United. Nipa nyina o kinkan Bible na wo see na ne nipa wasase su nyina eye baako. Anokro ekakasa kro. Wo mu nyina kakasa baako. Eti na tese wo mu kasa, wo mu te wo ho ase. Pese o tie nkomo ni yipa. We kasa wait yasiye, we kasa wait yasiye, we kasa wait yasiye. It is a kasa na umunyina one language in intino. No umunyina take communication as intino. They became so much united. They were one. Eti omudisi omanisi se ombesi war, the Tower of Babel. Na akwa kokasro. Eno de insuyire ne samba biwa entumi mfa wom. Eti no Bible say Nyankopon te soro enom hu say edan no a omusi no wo no musi no ba na eba ba na wo na eba wo mu ni forklift bi a omudi raise eniyema yi wo mu ni machinery bi a build wo no de ma wo eye nipa no a na build nyame te soro na wo no ba na eba no matter the first heaven no omura the second heaven eti nyame te ho no say no adiye nkofoi abomutirim pose omobeye no bibie ni we betumi esi omokwan me pese otie nkomo ni because this lesson is very crucial for me. Adiye bie ni we betumi esi omokwan ni o ma sese so omoyi wo mo betumi aye adiye be na yenye adiye be ni betumi aye na dia stop sankofu na adwuma no omanto aso enuanom eti nyame Eja oba ene won kronkron omukosia ye meeting. Sa meeting na omukoye ye no. Wo mo dendwe ho ne wo mo beye na o stop the people from making progress. Na afi adwuma no krampo no o ma anya anya bio. Ewa na adwene ba say let us go and confuse their language. Yenko na yenko dane o mokasa. Eti onyankopon osoro dom no ba asase so eno mo be dane enipa techerema enti afei de besi ye ne say we kasa we ntiase we kasa we ntiase we kakasa we ya we ntiase enti no say we ekasa na we ntiase a na ne bu afu fa peja blocks no ema men na memfa ento ayi wo no so ba kasa wo kan no no aka na bia dagati so nipa na otie no ontiase was made a faso hoko adena makatiro se fade ne bra na omfa ma na da sugina ho nipa nso ntiase saa de no na Nyankopon e de stopi adwuma no moye no kasa communication woman te o mo ho ase no togetherness no ebreki o man te o mo ho ase no unity no ebreki omante omo ase no adwuma no omantumi antoa so kasa na omo kana omante omo ase communication no ebeye difficult na we kasa wenti no eno and the stop adwuma no nyamete so no hu say enkofu we say mede earthquake asase wuso ebebubu wo no a still omo kakasa baako omo te omo ase communication no effective because of that they will still come and erect the wall say mede osoro akunkum abo ebebubu wo no a still these people will continue to build the wall because they are one and they speak one language omo nyina kakasa kro na womu nyina eye baako eti ade onyankopon de stop eduma no eye kasa nyame ndwiri wo na ngu nyame anya omo hwe but we make sure say they will not be able to continue eti say we kan yigbe na we nti ase a di obeti ase no na afi wafani mi ose bese mi enko no ni nua ne di afa ha eti we osi obi a obeti ni kasa no oni ne di afa ha because of kasa ni ntino nyankopon skata enipa ni nyina wasase ani adwuma na wo mantumi antoa so wo mu je adwuma no ho omo vision omo ni so de ho no aba na wiye what you say and what you hear kasa na me ba bi chirim e de abafom am wo hunu ade a ama wo aka ba bi a woda so wo eti ebra me kenkan sa quotation we no na me dwindwin ho no ena honhom no ma me hu say ye wonipa bebre wasase so a self bondage ya ye kan ho asem no e hanom na fefri kasa what they hear and what they say eno ena limit wom eno ena ntumi omama nkoso nti adwuma no anka bibi no we betumi asi no kwan se adwuma ne nkoso eye kasa ne wo ka ene ne wo tie me ye part 1 me di part 2 beto aso so atiase eti no esese wo no say ye wonipa bibre wasase so a ade a entumi amoma nkoso nye mpaibo enye bibia enye emufia beifo enye asore enye mwa bia wanya eye kasa what you say and what you hear ti kofo no adwuma no oma ntumi antoa so na saa kasa ya meka ho asem saa communication eye de ba de ebi ase wonya nte ho ase be breaking it down further ama wati de meka na se enti etoda bia metenasia na behwe nipa bi no mu a aya no masem ye mmobo de nti o masem ye mmobo ni se omo kasa dodo womo kasa dodo I mean adie bia eye secret no obeka onkoso wa brabom da you are selling yourself with the ahoma bi tsere ho you are preventing and denying yourself onipa wontumi to na no nareka ontumi fa padlock ento na no I'm telling you say you are in self bondage and you be na chichiri wo demons ne wo ho no they didn't know what you had in you until you opened your mouth and said it according to na nka oba betu no appointment na nka oba beko no enye obi a and demons they didn't know the entire appointment no adwuma ne say you opened your mouth and spilled out the beans ayawa no wachechere ho you have denied yourself the opportunity to make progress in life unyame sumi a wosumi ayawa wano what you hear obi oho assembly obi ka kire no se me kura no menya nkwasore bi o meja sore enya wo ada wachechere ho what you heard wa mana chechere ho eti no sanchichiri ka sanchichiri American wasemi no efri obi foforo mu ene ba wo mu but what in common say efri obi foforo mu ene ba wo mu ade ne wo mu dida ba obi emu ne free ba na wo wasom na wo de achechire ho enti asem obi kae no wa masa asem no wasom na wo de achechire ho na wo te ho na wontumi nko wani mu abrabom ena de bia asem na nipa ne kae no eno na wo de eye nyinaso eye de wo ye na wote faako erade hu mobo me besane wo se oba ebibrim ha sa suban we enteni abrofum eye bibrim ha ana mehu sa suban no na me no nyame frɛ me amongst my people. Ghana hana matena. Ghana hana medie nyini. Ya mamre ene ya manie no ena menim. Na the culture obroni people no mpempe no are entirely different from the African culture. Na mehu esu bi ewo bibifuom. Saa esu no eno na ma abibiman ahodoɔ many African nations. Eno na ma individuals, people who have great potentials. Eno na alimiti woma entumi ama woma nko enkan. Nanka or something to offer the generation and the nation, the country. But because of sa isuninti no, sa adieno keep on being deposited in him. Potential no is still in him into mimpi. While limiting him because of sa isui, sa kasaya meba beka ho asem no. Iti ebibrim ha no, especially with Ghanaians no. Yewo kasa bi wo ho a yeka no nipa beka se. Nipa beka se. Adiya mekoye nipa beka se. Obeya meko ware ni nipa beka se. Ejuma ikura me pese me yi nipa beka se. Asori ya me pese mi jai kura na me kofufuri nipa beka se. Sofo ya me pese me kodi nechi nipa beka se. Adie bia onipa ye no nipa beka se. Sa word sa kasa no nipa beka se no. Who are those nipa beka se? Pato what in common say? Self bondage ya meka ho asemi ahanum na me di free ene me ye part 1 iwi na ma ye me de part 2 no ato aso. Sa statement nipa beka se ifri he why no ne se nipa na wo mo beka se ade mpo no wonyanye yo wonyanye but adwen no idea ne ba ya o yes wo be ye na no na sa cross no nipa beka se na abaho na koma the etwaso no so de won kan nipa beka se because of the nipa beka ntino na ote ho eno ne ade a me ba be kire nipa beka se na sa esunu ewu nipa biem uwo wiase a ewo mu obanyame mu a ewo mu base unya benyankopon mu a esese sa statement nipa beka se no esese otumi yifiri wabrabom se wanye mfiri wabrabom mu a it is impossible for you to go higher in life. I'm telling you, nipa beka se what people will say. So okay, in Exodus chapter number 23 verse 2 now see entie atisem hunu tio entie atisem hunu wo pese wo ye biribi. You had an idea, you conceived the idea, you thought about it, and you tried to put it in practicality. Adie no oya ebeboa wo. Adie no okwani mu a ebesi wi. Adie no you are having that sensation within you say adie we na esese wo ye. But because of the nipa bekenti wanye. Nipa beka se edi nipa bebre dem amanipa bebre ankoso wabrabom nipa beka se asofo bebre abreki wom company nanka mumu bi ho a mu betumi aye business owners anka mu betumi develop businesses on your own and then you become so much a successful businessman but and then because of nipa beka se no you are still an employee. Many people have not been able to take risk because nipa beka se obi wan ko betumi aba be ye president but okwa ye politics nipa beka se nipa beka se sa no ntumi anye bibia wasase so ama nipa bebre ekrisofo bebre modis ahoma no achechire mo ho what people will say nipa beka se sa statement no ebia na wontena se nwie ho but obekọ wabrabo mu. Everybody check yourself right now. Obekọ wabrabo mu no next statement one way or the other something you wanted to do next statement a preventive ama wankoye what you wanted to do nipa beka say abre nyankopon frɛ me foforo no saa sɛmu a ende me ne wo ka ho asɛm yi adesia Yesu yi nyame kyerɛ me ɛno ne boa me ɛma me beduru baabi a me bedu yi na me ka de aba be kyerɛ wade ɛbra nyame frɛ me no na menye deacon na menye elder bia wa sorry bi me life ni nyina no minyi a me ba no enkofo no mo ho ye mo mobo o ma sem ye me mobo e ya sofo because sofo obehu ne trouser pa na ebonu mu se two gas kesisi ni shoe eto awewe etino mi sona minyi ni nyina me hu se asofodie ni yohia eti ade na me ni nye ho kra. In fact the idea of asofodie no na mempe because me hu omo a betumi ka se ade na mo nkope dwuma nye na mo ho ntomo. I devoted all my life to study. It right from JHS, maybe your friend saying JSS no. And I'm who say no. Me person me a businessman. Me work a lot of business acumen. I will devote myself to studying business. After JSS secondary school, me kokusuya business accounting. All right. Business management, economics, be a business course. Be and I'm further into administration, because business administration. Then I had another degree in human resource management, and I'm a management and administration at Cambridge. There was an Australian university. That time no normal an outlet it would Dubai. And I'm a kokoye your friend is a certified human resource. I am a recognized and a certified human resource consultant internationally. So I practiced my profession, I excelled in my career. In fact, all the countries are your kokoye humani no. The whites realized say what was in me was so huge. I did a lot of work for many companies, especially in Asia, in Europe, Middle East. So Middle East countries in India, Jordan, Lebanon, any Inkura, etc. was here, Pakistan, Iraq, work has taken me to all those places. Now, as I kept on excelling, Adiaba Kwana Ewumi, which was so challenging, they say, you are getting into a different economy. Till these HR policies here, you person you implementing. The problem with many of my colleagues and my team members, they say, they kept on asking, what if we go and people say, what if? I kept on hearing that statement. Now, anytime we are making that statement, we are not the buafu. For instance, we are entering into the Indian economy. And the Equaco implementing for the first time an HR policy, you draw up. A dear Ben and Nipano, a buying beka. Then they bring this clause. Nemubusa say, oh, a dear crying says here, why do you bring the clause? A dear Ben a buying beka. And a dear ben a company nebeka. A dear ben nipa beka say. It's the same statement no sabre mechi na mebuafu. Say this thing we have thought it. We thought about it. Ya dwene ho. And at the end, you're writing up the policies. And I'm the leader of the team. Why do you say nipa beka say when we have not even started the work? At any time that clause comes up, now my legal team no me say you stay behind. Me ekonoma kwa test policy number. Iti meko ebia me di bosumi mienu. Meba no na me di great results aba. And send the team members ni nyina kame ho na yeko. So they saw me as an inspirational leader. Adeɛ bia yɛyɛ no as a team no yɛkɔɔ so, not because I was praying, not because I was so smart, but because even though I was smart, say adeɛ metie that statement nipa bɛka sɛ no a, we wouldn't have excelled in any job or any contract we had. Eti yɛbrɛ Nyankopɔn frɛ me no ɛna ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ adwuma na wɔde ma me no ɛnsɛm a wɔde hyɛ ma no sɛ me nkɔka no ɛne dwumadi a wɔde ma me sɛ me nkɔyɛ no sɛ mekɔ na mekɔ kotie ni nipa bɛka a mentumi nkɔ m'anim. Mepɛ sɛ otie asɛm ne yie paa, mentumi nkɔ m'anim, mɛka faako. Eti mekɔ no ni obi bɛka ɛma mentie, mema ne nwura masum. Afei radio ɛma mentie radio, TV ɛma menhwɛ TV for 3 years. Pɛ sɛ otie asɛm ne yie. Na ɛbrɛ wɔ frɛ me na mekɔ akɔyɛ adwuma na mebusam sɛ how can I stay 3 years without listening to radio or TV? Ɛhom normal me who say, or per se o breaking a kind of communication from entering into me. Or per se what I hear no, on per se sadia no ebe breaking me, on per se sadia no ebe yen chichire, ebe chichire me. On per se me kwa kofa sa humano dia be chichire me ho. If we say what I will hear no, ebe to me ama me jai eduma na me ba be no. If you say the nature of messages, so the nature of messages teachings are Yamidia Semano and some of their Semano, who woman Tasamo or Faneso Cano. Se me Nipaka, I'm telling you, said you may mean yet. I'm telling you, Assassino, even my own parents were like, do be a wako school do a chilisi. Now we were Juma Uyalusika. I didn't and a wood jai sandy mangina baby Yamia. What is your problem? Edru baby me papa ka say man for one ko school say bra be di sofu me di ko school say bra be ye adwuma ne nya sika ne fa bi hwefie enu nti na me di ko school anuanom be tie ne me papa kan ya kanya ne say ene utie me you what you hear eti me ma me kan me papa kan me nuanom kan afa be nam fofo kan say afa de o ye sofu nipa aka enipa nyina aka enipa nyina aka enipa nyina aka nipa aka no menti wom enipa bi no mesi Nyankopɔ adwuma se no bi wo nipa bebre wo ho a ensɛm a mekan no wo mo ka kyerɛ me sɛ na sɛ de wo kan ensɛm a wo kan de titi ne ade a wo ye de you won't be able to go far. You won't be able to go far. I mean, want to mean call him what you are doing won't work. Because the same pan I wouldn't but even from the beginning, and when you be a new and so even on this platform, 116 people are following me. Those who are following me, who are not on this platform, they run into thousands of people. But what in common I say, thousands of people. Even on the WhatsApp platform, and I may start all the platform here, in totality, even on my phone, because they say no contacts, I cannot save on a SIM card. I save on the cloud account or Gmail account. And if I look at the followers, 4,000 plus, even the contacts on my phone. But I had people talking into me say, I had people talking into me say, you won't get people to follow you. If I listened to them those times, I'm telling you, say, I wouldn't have reached where I am. Nipa beka say. It in ya make me say, adia me to me edia breaki meni nipa ntem. Eye kasa. Se me pese me kosoa in everything I'm doing. Se me tie ni onu Nyankopon na kachere me. Na conviction na menya wo me mu no. I shouldn't listen to what people were saying. The negativity nipa beka say no. Me nyim free mabrabom. Se me yi free mabrabom dia, I'll be able to go high. It is said that my lifting up was not prayer. It was the principle of nipa bekase. Don't listen to it. Nipa bekase. Entie atisim hunu. Ense hunu nipa eka. Mentie. And deny yourself the opportunity of experiencing what you have to experience. Enti, na me adwuma na me ye no. enye di obi ka na etie me metie enye di obi ka na ebu mabam ensem onipa ka fa me ho emfiri nyame nipa beka se emfiri nyame ade nso nyame na de ama me se memfa akwankyere ma nipa beka se emfiri nyame nti na megyae. No way. I knew say from the start of this platform no, I knew say mumu bebri asofo binum e de akwankyere bone any spiritual thing deceive nipa sunsun wiase and deceive nipa. Enti no, I had a feeling within me say me kwa kokai e de be na nkofo no beka at once. Let's say me use a statement free ho nipa beka say niemo beka no, it doesn't matter to the work di nyameka any do die dua me mu no and ye adwuma. If you say asase no the first direction e buy no, I had some of you bringing up question di nipa beka say idea nyemo ka no me take into consideration anka adwuma no kamanye. If say anyema ni bi wo na me ya na butumi say obi nye bi da abofo ni adifo e ba Bible num ni nyame nkrofo e ba Bible num nyina no obi nye bi da nyame tumi dia kwankyere bi fa me so ba na asase so ye nti ne mpani nsem da me kwa akoyi nipa beka se sa nipa beka se no ubehu se me de bam se pe na break me ni nyankopon tem afi the way na se nyame left me no ye me kase no onye me kase because the nipa beka nti no the ono de ma me se me nkoye no manye nipa beka se asofo bebre nyame de nyema bi amom se nkomonye but okoyi adiebe ne nipa beka se emfiri nyame nipa beka se enyese nipa beka se enyese. If you believe in yourself that this is what I believe in, if you believe that this is what the Lord has put in you, if you believe that this is what the Lord has planted in you, say do it. Who are those nipa? Who are those people? Some conform almost sorry no pabro sika de toduane di. Have you seen anybody waking up in the morning and saying, my friend, have this money and pay the fees of your children, and take this money and go and pay your bills? Why are you allowing these people to say nipa beka? Who are these people that you have allowed into your life? Say you've messed up your life. Awari na nkasesa uko wentumi anko adwuma na nkasesa uye wentumi anye adibia na nkasesa wentumi anye because of what people will say. Nipa beka say. What in common I say? Eti sa wo yosofo na bu tie mi a ne nyankopon edi bibie dua omu a nipa beka sa ni yifiri wabrabom. If say nyankopon mama ntie radio for 3 years or mama hwe TV for 3 years or catch me say me tie radio na ebia meti asem bi wo radio no so na akobu mabam na aba ba chekere me ebia metie bibi ana mehwe bibi wo TV so na ade na ba bebreke me na de sese me ye no mantumi anye eti mempe ompese I will corrupt my life because of what people are doing on the TV or what people are saying on the radio. Because that time no na asofo bebere wo radio so asofo bebere wo TV so emum kwasiafo ewomu a ensem mo keka no amanipa na gitwi akwakodi omachi ma hweye na mekotie na me de compare ni nyame dia ma me na me hu se me de no ena nipa entie me nsem no ebebu mabem eti nyame break that communication no between me ne what people will say eno ena ama me etumi ababedru sampompo so yi o eti se ne nyame ya me kase na me gusu komanim na me nyini e wa dom nim every day ayesadi we ya mama sanchichire we amachichire self bondage because asemna nipa ne beka no eya homa nipa ne dia to ho eti eya wo na obefa san homa na odi achichire wo ho opa obefa ompa omfa wamfa you are free ofa odi achichire wo eti enye nipa ne de chichire wo eya wo nipa bekase eti in my life no in this ministry no the nipa ka does not matter once the Lord has said it and it is indeed the voice of the Lord mewie meka opa fa ompa memfa the rest no nyame de ba opa ye opa menye de wo beka no enye masem. But what in common I say if you say the osoma me no I have a mission, I have a vision. Nyame mami who say sankofo no adwuma na omusa aseso mo ye ewo ye friends Babylon Empire time no eye kasa na nyame di breaki wom eti no ade bia onipa bi eba beka no Baba mama dream ayentanta. Obewu say, even the conviction I had earlier, no, I will just put away that conviction and go to listen to what the person said. Who is this person? Onto the name mami ni, onto tadia mami say, onto speakers mami, onto microphone mami. Why this any power we are? Or because say infringe me. Then I will go and listen to. I will be so stupid and so I will be so foolish to go and listen to say nipa beka. The nipa beka nti na me jai ni me. That is the beginning of your self bondage. The nipa beka. It who your software na uti mi a, who you deep for na uti mi. Na nyame na afra onukurim e no de adwuma bia hye wo sa nipa beka se no, take it out of your life. Who you free wa obewu sa fa adwuma na ekoso. Hey, you won't go full biblia from the beginning. I'm saying I'm you man. One more can you, but then those people run back to me. Meet your manu asemwa and can be useless. Meet your manu asema. If I listen to what those people were saying, all kinds of comment and no more ma. If he mentality I say a blue baby, what say oh soft for Lacoste, soft for the unim dressing, and somebody be pekano and yanom. Some de maso emma womoa. And come in to be to ceremony who come and come in him. And then me and me city said, no, me maintain and no babepe, Yankopon sem emboa. So I think common I say, me mean sem. Whom are you listening to? What voices are you listening to? And sembe ni nipaka, then sembe na wofa adise wumu, would you again chishiri, na would you put yourself into a prison? You have imprisoned yourself because of what people will say. You have imprisoned yourself because of what people have said. I want you to remove those roofs. Saneho, and neya saneho, and travel view, and money ni peka, a buabem, and money ni peka, and limited. Ababa will be to me so. Well, we in a master's degree, right? Paswa ware, Bema woko ware no. The hunu say, Nenijin hunu. Onko school da oya tete kwa odo banchi ase basa be me utimi se owofie nyansa you had the conviction in you believe in say be me dia ono ana mepe no ono ana manigi na ho nanso me kwa ware ni be ma na be si upewu o pese o ware o onko school da but also your ba we o masters. It is never be drew by ideas will be real masters and will be co school. On person or be find it or ne will be a won't co school ebebo. It is a baba way American as me. Be may be saying a pen. I won't co school da, but uti be man in Casemua, which me say or born a home or the unimyansa. Sa be me way on any one in ma or the nyansa better in Quadano or be control fini. Be ma winka or be dono or be dinini. Onye de basabasa on kasane so by heart but oko ware ni nipa beka se obi a wawie ayi wawie ukra wo masters oko ware a be ma odo banchi ase na oko ware ni nipa beka nti wankwanko ware sa banchi ase be ma no eno akwa akofa di okura PhD ene we say yebo wasum card e wama obi card e wama obi e dan de wama obi won se oni ani di nipa beka nti aware a wo kono. You have made a wrong choice. Mekai se asafubi man ye wo ewo Accra kwa benya. Na abranti bi ba me nchen se opese okoware girl bi. Na girl no tumi se girl no owo class. Baby a girl no no hey. Se baby a wodu no. Se wo ye be ma na che se. Wo be se okono wa se wo ye careful. So ati ase. Ti wo de betu manim na se okosusu ho kire na danfo bi. E na danfo ne ka kire se. Onko pe ono meseso ba no nware no na on forget his idea no. What does he think say? Or na da girl no kra no okono e de be na girl no beka say okra mbo no you are nobody in the church. Tio na danfo no asema o ka kire no. It will ban maintain na mo ka kire say we yijimifo. Gay you krampo no onko say ne pe. Unya mfa nko boso. So why are you allowing that statement na to stop you from going forward? Don't listen to your friend. Go and propose. If you believe in your heart, say oba we won it in home. Person one now you're ready in kwadia. Fakoboso. Entie and you know say okoi and the man na girl no beka because you are nobody. Prapra on our prapra some them are as you say instrument near that. And so what? Unye nipa. then I advise him this way. And we are no me no say guy now no proper son them or instrument tin time or your software or ba no okwo ware no sa ba no ne saka no okose ne penefa you. So otie mi nipa beka anka wanya ne yire no, and they are living a very wonderful life. Living a very wonderful life. Eti enipa bebre no kwa man koso nyina no, you pray a lot obom paye, but nipa beka se no edi unya eprawo. Nipa beka se no eprawo. Obi awie university etenkran etikumase ne maame ne papa ewasase ewekurase. Uwie university bese mfie bese num ni nsu ni unye adwuma nye unso a wo betimi ado. Onsanko ekurase nonko fesikan nonko do nonko yefu na nko binya food stuffs na wakọ akoton ewo market na wono atumi anya bi atoduane ahwe no ho na wo wie university o ma me deda so to aduane maudi hwe look at you are not serious. When we university eda so tie busuya fi when we school se menye adwuma anye meanwhile ne ma me no wasase we kurase anko betumi akodo wadua bode e banche eburo ne ne makeka hu oba beko ekurase no akodo yi ne kuromufo beka se dio adie beba ne tim no na me akodo yi adie be ne nipa beka se university graduate pan na fedia all do yi na oda so tenkran na obege obi this year o stress sika because nipa beka se sa nipa beka se no enti no oda so tenkran a wobre ko he ba bia woda miwa okoni fie oko back to village e no kodo ya anka nyankopon be fa sa de no so no lift him nipa beka se oda so bege o pechi wo unamfofo ho enuanom eno ne nchichire self bondage meka ho asem eti mumu bebre self bondage ehonum ne free ba ehonum we wie school na wonya dwuma nya pedwuma foforo bi ye pawo ho kaye wo ho what in common say demate do anything to survive man kase nipa beka senti na obre nipa beka senti na kom de nipa beka senti how about them where from that nipa beka say who are those people. And then me person yi sa nipa beka se no free wabrabom that communication no what you hear you free wabrabom me kire wade wo politicians Ghana mo de ma me fam mra Ghana here wo Ghana politicians me kire wade se obi ebeye politician wo Ghana ha omunim say me kire o secret omunim say Ghana fo e kasapa na aban bia eba amamuo mu a saa aban no ewo something they call manifesto or the plan of action eniema ono ba no oba beye aban no esese mu no esese oyi akwan esese oyi hospital sorting community or this eniema bi egu akwan mu a oba no oba beye within the 4 years no we are watching ya babu mu akonta e de akere oman no eti se aban no nya teki seat ni wi a adwuma na esese wo ye no se wan breaki sa communication no di nipa e ka no a wan breaki am free wa 4 years ni beso no na di enti a promises I will make you say me ba me yi we no we dumi anye because of the nipa e ka. The politicians, this is what they do. Fabodie beto me chok, womu here toilet. KVIP. Kro wensu ehia nsuo. Kro wensu ehia clinic. Kro wensu ehia school. Onipa bi owo Ghana bia no mantem bia wo bia no obi ehia bibi. Obi pese ebeyi gota edema wom, obi pese e street boss. It is over here enip ensem we nipa beka wo Ghana ha no. Obi a wo ne hawa oye den oka. The politicians ni nim say ade achi now radio no, TV no, political shows no, any sa talk na wo moye wo radio so no, wo mutia. Die nti ombe di akonya no muntumi wie. Oma yenso a omuhu akonta bi ombebu a kire oman no. enti anuanom monsem na moka no radio so no montie o hey omampani no ontie o politician bi no a otie sansem no ati ngomo na say wo mo mma sansem na moka no radio so na mo fi sansem na moka no radio so no wo mo tie anka wo mo meye de mo pema mo wo mo ntie because it is a principle say adi bia opese o ye se otie de nipa beka onkoso obi wo ho asori ya wo ko onimse asori ne nye o jai no ba bedi machi no otie nyame asem papa no obegyan no nipa beka se eye na isi ade na okoti nchirichiri bi wo online na asori kra we jai na nie nipa beka nti na o ma ne nkwagya bo no eti nipa bebre enko heaven because of the nipa beka eti politicians no they don't listen to what you people say on radio because onye tie sie pe the nipa kan o mu tie sie pe ebebu o mabam o mu ntumi nya dwuma no eti they don't listen wo mu tie eti no mo sori anopa Ghana for be kasa fiti anopa political show talk show TV so radio so ye ka eguo maso achi wo mu tie na ye problem wo mu tie enu ntina mutumi kasa ya kan so abanti na wonti sai otie wu no otie we obi anu asema obi so ba be ye odi ama wo oba ko ye we di ama wo 4 years ni beso no mo na mo san be kasa boss no say no promises will make you nyina no when the so when jimi anyemu ba kokora na masa to abatia no na matu na fe so enti sadia ontie na mo boss no say no eno ho dwuma no be ye eno nti na many of you know you don't understand the politicians a principle aten ko na say nyame adwuma meye no se nyankopon ma me direction na o kire me ne menya nyoni pa be kan it doesn't matter to me o mentie o hwe me na me metie o na me break up na me tsere me ho na me na ho no way I won't do that but no na yemu problem so aten ko na say eti mumu bebre wo ho a atibia na bo wo mu no enye e na wo conviction wo mu badi nipa be kanti o da so te ho ya bia sem we meka me boso say nipa bebre tete nsori dem samanfo nsori dem mo wate no kore ne pa so bejai o e de be na nipa beka say e na sori ana anu ya na baye sorry wenyi say obi kora to bi kan ka say sorry a menyi asen ne de me nko bi da so for me menyi asen ne de me nko bi da my be make his statement in one of my teachings in the town o say na say wo kora ye wo no me hu and am say Jesus Christ ya ngona ma meto Pharisee no ye wo no na Pharisee ni ho but at the end of the day Jesus entie di ni peka and some ye kafa Yesu hu nyina wa memu ba kokora nye dey and ready mu that is the principle. Jesus never listened to what people were saying about him kapin niba se komo tuni free wiem ne ba asase so nka nipa begina di se komo pai ni free due mu nka nipa begina di they said all manner of things against him even at the time one more accusing he said or the evil spirit Beelzebub and the year adwuma no when he didn't allow that thing to enter him. What in common say? It you nipa biano what you are listening to, what you are speaking to act. Sanya mano and the day will call and chichirium. I want to advise you. I believe you've gotten the concept. Adie be a person you was assassin. Adie be break you. Eye nipa beka say. If you say nya conviction no na nya idea na person ye na sa close no. Meko yi nipa beka se adwuma ekura me contract ya me kopri ede be na nipa beka baby a meko ikura ede be na nipa beka when you believe in your heart. I'm not saying this in the negative sense. When you know say ade na wo koye no nye dia as ogidi ni na nye dia you cannot say nipa beka se because when you say dia wo koye no enye but when there it is a genuine conviction. It is a true conviction. Ayade nyame die dua omu. Eye potential bi odi ade no betumi aye. Bibi problem bi kura si wo baabi. A wunnim se problem wo betumi asolve. Na wo be sorry akwa solve no. O se me sorry nipa ede be na nipa beka se me ye too no. Nipa beka se me ye sheshe dodo because of that inti one ye. Oh. Wa na wa chechire ho na wo da ho. Enye demons. Enye obia eye wa na wo de san chechire nya den. A chechire ho. So atin komona say iti eneno sa nipa beka se no eno ne the self bondage a mu bebre mo de mo akotum esese wo yi wo free nipa beka se what people will say no let it not matter. It is a me me wie school na me feel say Kuraba Timber Port eno na woton a ebekoso amawa esese me de me graduate sem no to baabi esese me pekwan ya mefa so a me nsa bekoma no na wankwa ankoye azan wankwa ankoye kalabuli eneanom adwuma me yi se metie di nipa ka me say kama danin kyerɛkyerɛ no ka enokore na me di ka o kama sesa de da sofo bi to me frɛ me sofo the one see preaching in there you see no a whole lot of comment when you say so kasa say na makate I won't listen me die ne woka di nipa ka eno na ababa ye ehoma momu bebre mafa na modi akyekere mo ho so atenkomo na say eno na mafa na modi akyekere mo ho weka di nipa ka no they don't feed you enyomu na wokwa akubu aten e de akyere wo otimuafo ni Awurade it no don't allow ni nipa e ka no e me ya homa a wo be fa na wo de akyekere wo nan na wo da ho a wontumi nko wani nipa bibiri abasa asiso di nipa beka nti no o mantumi a mobra amo o madi o masefo abro wawu wanye hwe no okọ ni nipa beka nti eno nti na Yesu ebo ye nkokose. Be careful what you hear. Take heed what you hear. Dear what they wason no, be very careful. Kasa communication and no control nipa. Asema nipa ne kaye enti na dwuma no wankwanko ye. Asema nipa ne kaye enti na sofo no wankwanko di nachi. Asema nipa ne kaye enti na sore no wanko biu. Asema nipa ne kaye enti na wankwanko. Asema nipa ne kaye di nipa beka. Ebra Elijah friend is so made in a chi. Na okum efumponko ni nentwi ni niema odi ye efumdwuma ni nyina no. Okum ni nyina eno de ye party man workers. Eno ka kire workers ni say okwa akodi Elijah ti. No akwa akosom no. Ensem wo nipa ne kan. Na odi wagini usofo nyame nipa wo na akodi na chi. Ede be na abenya frim. Eno nti na wakum nwa ne wafunu mu nyina de ye party man say wo kono. Oh, we di emfaso bi enim. Na Elisha wentie de ngofon kan you kromofon wentie ene kodi Elijah chi kakran ni Elijah na omugusu di ne ho few ne nipa ka unya na nkopedwuma bi nye ene sofo bi bedi machi obi ka tere say na sofo akodi ne chi ane ho kyere ne sa no eno no onya duani di ne wama bi adi ena sofo no su ifiri machi koi edi say mo amoye masofo na mo me nase no momfa winya futusem titiri ne mo amaba mu fufura afi na mafa mo de matoto branches ano no momfa winya futusem so atiase edire dina wa ba bidi mechi men kase ubi kase me ho kire me ai aho kire na mananti mua na wodi ti asem na waji Awurade adi e na wafa wo sei nyame sei o me amese mase na mentetem so atenkomo na sei edi wutie di nipa ka you become a fool. Eti di nipa kanji eti Elisha no odi Elijah ti na ojinachi sa afi ebreni beko na wi ye ne ba befa Elijah akosoro no kromo ofo nsa beka te say o say ye ka kire unim say o ma say ye ba befa nako sa time no so na Elijah emo Elisha maniu oni say o ma say ye ba befa nako o say wodi ne ti a wanya hwe. Se menu mienu anka yebeti ne nkofo no ka at that time it become ke back question ye master Elijah but Elijah ka kire say mo fa mo nsem ko wentie ko pem say Elijah na bi na no ka kire Elisha say nyankopon ba be fa me e de mako eti busame ne menye mawo e ho no say engosra ne da so mepe ebupe mienu double portion of your anointing. Ampa Elisha ensa kan double portion no sa nkofo no a wo mo di ne ho few kan nsem etoto nsem ma no ana nkompese ojai Elijah chidiri no sa nkofo so obeka ya they are the very people a omukosere ekuma ask omudi kobudu ya ekoto nsuo mu a omuba Elisha nkyɛnse nyame nipa wedi yeserew bra ne beyi ekuma ne firi nsuo no ma ye ne yekosere. Eno ye the first miracle. No, and the first cry. O trade be no the two student and the command free by. And I'm say, wow. you are indeed a man of God. And omuti didi. Otiyo mano asema nko be ye useless. Koda so ye fulani. They say Elisha eti krum hofo ano asema ka Elisha wa meye the Elisha we know. Koda so ye fulani. Who is saying something that you are listening to? Who? Ebi a platform is so mpono. Ubetumi enye obi no aba on chen backstage. Ni esofo na kan de emfa homa mu. Say won say ni esofo kan de ni Bible. We there wuji tu mwenye. Who is this person who is saying something? And what is the conviction you have in your heart? So I think I'm gonna say on this same platform, ubetumi enye obi up talking into you backstage. Oh, maybe a group no come say me free so ncheche na so for the band here. No, me my check here. Look at this. Look at this. Die obi ka eno ne nchechire ya nipa bibiri e dia chechire no. Eti enye demons no na prevent him from progressing. And then Bible no ntumi left to the first principle e kasa. Communication. Na warrior the yere na damfo tumi ka asem bi kire no chale na nse nkofo keka se o yiri ota bitwam wo hapa o man bi ota ne di nkomo di nipa kente ukoya na akakọbọ ne yere o se wo say wo bodwaman wo say wo bodwaman. No investigation, no verification. Di nipa kente ojai ne yere ene di nipa kente e man bibiri ejai wo mukunum di nipa kente e man bibiri what people are saying additional nipa bibiri life. Oh, I deal with crowd. They say, "Nano me koye bi oh, koye enyi." And so, ebia ono ne se bre na anyi ya man. Oh, koye ya kedi. Oh, American visa. Oh, men ko. You see, America krono kra say what people are saying. These are mad people. These are people who have been employed by the devil. Nipa bekase. Start statement, and your body falling a friend nipa soka sansemuno. So that they will limit you. It will not cut you now. Asema nipa ikanso minka no krepa on. Afina was say dwindwin di nipa ne kan ho. Nipa bekase. Na akwa saa ahoma no. Na odi abechechire ho. Na niankase se wo ye no, we nya anye. Nipa bekase. Ubianka bi nipa beka se. Ubianka bi nipa beka se. Eti no miwie no na me bono tofa. De me ka kosi ni say self bondage and chichiria ye de chichiria ho no. Ahanom ne free. Part 1 ni me de part 2 ebeto aso. Enunti I want you to check your life. Many of you in your previous lives you've been affected by this statement nipa beka se. What people are saying. Muamuo amanone no. Hey, mumu bibiri na no asofo atrofo adifo atrofo mahu amane wo mo nsem. Enkyerechera hudo bibiri na aba. So at say it now that you have come to ascribe to this faith, people are going to talk to you. They're going to say one thing or the other to you. Nipa beka se. Oh, ahosisi ya chere ya yesi obi anya trousers ni knickers ni ade na obi andressing oba be say nipa beka se yesi ade oye wa be yes of mama na ye twetwe ni nipa kenti na ebu abem na wantumi anye de sese oye nipa beka se ene you who free sa de nim sa homa na wawo akokofa na ode akekere ho no sane ho. A free neck and fast woman who break that communication. Can who say the only thing that is stopping some conforna woman to me and sita wano, envio madumano, a casa language, the nipeka communication. Wake away on tiasi. You be intino. A fe one ten who say, Peso aqua cocontokwa. You be inti. Onipa bi ananka oye very instrumental in your life. You have dispensed with that person. Edebe ne nipa ka fa ho. Edebe na wotie. Edebe na iwiase ka. What people are saying does not matter because you know what? As I see no ade bi onipa obeye bia ye benya ho asemaka. Oye papa ye benya ho asemaka. Oye boni ye benya ho asemaka. So why are you listening to people? Make your own mistakes. Because the best thing you can do is to make a mistake by yourself and learn from it. You will never be defeated by your own mistakes, but your mistakes will lift you up. This morning, I want to encourage you, say, it does not matter What matters is your conviction. What matters is what you really believe in. Because nanti ya niye rade namono di nipa kano it doesn't enfanya me hu. Hey, ni ope eno ye ni nipa beka enfan ho. Yesu ba ye di nipa kan ye amfan ho. What you see? Wan fa di nipa kan enya asem. Mary Magdalene and sembe na ahia for nanka. But wan fa enya asem. She went in for it. Ope Yesu ho adom. Now you cannot take away the name of Mary Magdalene is preaching the gospel. What people will say does not matter. Yankopon shirawo. Onti na nim chirawo. O mount yasiye. Afei mi wie no na me beje questions no. Me pese ubia ebe record sa nipa beka se ene me twem free mabrabom. Tiu enti wo ba ya no. What you tips ni nyina wie se pedia. Uwie ya no na wa record Kasi nipa beka se ene bi yifri mabrabom. Nipa beka se ene me Bernard Lupeta bi yifri mabrabom metwem. Ubia me yes record ni nto ho. Ya me shiramu. Question